Hello everyone, this is Yash and welcome back to CS Explained. Today we'll be talking about an amazing tool to build AI agent and you can do a lot of things in it. So you can create background jobs, you can create AI agents, and in this series I will tell you like how to create AI agents with a serverless technology, and you can do a lot of things with this tool. The tool I'm talking about is Ingest. So just to tell you that I love working on Ingest and I have created a lot of AI agents with this, and I tagged, the CTO of Ingest on Twitter. He replied me back, and it was pretty amazing experience. So let's explore the features of Ingest and see how you can use this in your Next.js project to build AI agents to run background jobs. So now you can see what you can do with this powerful tool. You can do a background jobs, and background jobs is absolutely powerful with the Ingest. In the future videos, I will tell you how to create background jobs. But what does a background job do? Actually, the background jobs, the main work of the background job is, let me give an example. If I go to Excalidraw, if I tell you about the background jobs, if you have ever used any lovable or something, an AI agent or any process taking job on the internet or on the website, what you do is like you give it a prompt on the website from the website lovable or something like that. So you give a prompt here. There's a background job runs behind it, and it gives you the response instantly. Like after just a second, you get a response that the background jobs are running. So here you get that jobs are running, and then the jobs are being running inside like the container in the background. So you give a prompt to any website, any agentic website, and it gives you back a result that jobs are running. It instantly gives you a result that okay, the jobs are running behind the scenes, and this ingest manages all the jobs. So like after it generates. So suppose I sent a prompt, and now the OpenAI model is processing it, or writing the code and everything. So it is being run inside the background jobs. So now after the background jobs gets completed, it sends the data to the front end back. I know this is a very bad low fidelity which I sketched, but you got the gist of the idea that I was trying to explain. So now suppose you sent a prompt, and now it instantly gave you a response that jobs are running. And meanwhile, the OpenAI model is generating all the source code and everything that you asked for, and the background jobs gets completed after a certain period of time. Then it sends the data to the front end. Okay, the background job is completed. Now you can just take out the data that is being generated by the OpenAI. So after that, you take all the data from the generated OpenAI response, and then you can show it to the user. This is how Lovable works behind the scenes. So how these things are being managed, the complete thing, this thing is being managed by the Ingest. It's an absolutely killer tool. I think that it's better than LangGraph. It's a very bold statement to put, but yeah, it is much better than LangGraph. And I have used the LangGraph before, but like I feel super easy to use Ingest. You can see you can create functions and a lot of things. So I just explored the background jobs part of it. Later on the upcoming videos will explore the AI agentic part of it. I will just show you what it is. So you can create different kinds of AI agents and merge them together, let them think together, and you can create agents, give it the tools to think about it. You can give the vector databases, and you can attach a lot of tools into it. So this is how ingest works, and there are a lot of other features also. So like durable workflows engines. So there are a lot of tools to explore. We'll be exploring this, and we'll be creating small tools, agentic tools with this ingest. So make sure you follow me because we are going to explore this awesome tool to build the AI agents. Bye bye.